guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are cleaning my upstairs and downstairs bathroom. If you guys don't know, my house actually has 3 bathrooms. I don't normally clean my husband's bathroom, which is the one in the basement. He cleans that one. I only clean it like right before Christmas and I decorate it for Christmas. Other than that, I don't really touch that bathroom. But I'm gonna clean my upstairs bathroom, which has been neglected. My middle one, I always clean it, like it's always being cleaned. But I need to kind of deep clean it more, but my upstairs bathroom needs some love. So let's go ahead and start cleaning, and I gotta retie that. Yeah, but before we get started, don't forget to grab your coffee and let's go clean. All right, so this is a really quick before. This bathroom was so neglected, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. Anyways, I took everything off of the sink and then I sprayed down antibacterial for the sink, and then I wiped down the mirrors, and I am deep cleaning the sink. It was beyond neglected, guys. I am embarrassed to say so, but I really didn't pay attention to it for a while. But again, we don't really use this bathroom. We only use it at nighttime. And that's it. And I use the shower like once or twice a week when I need to take a shower and not have my daughter knock on the door, basically. So it's just really cleaning the dust. And here I am scrubbing down the shower again. It's not even that bad. I just felt like it needed a nice cleaning. I'm just wiping everything down, and then I always go in with a dry Swiffer and kind of wet it all to clean it. It's easier on my arms and my back, and I just love using this. I know a lot of people use a mop or use other things, but this has always worked for me. Now here I am cleaning the toilet, embarrassing again, but we don't flush the toilet at night because obviously it wakes up my daughter. She is a light sleeper, so unfortunately it stains, so I have to clean it very often. And again, I've been neglecting it, so I'm so embarrassed, but it is what it is. It's real life, guys. And here I am, you know, wiping down my toilet, cleaning it, disinfecting it, making sure it is nice and sparkly. Again, not right now, but we are looking into potty training my daughter, and I really want to make sure it's nice and clean for her as well. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and refill the toilet paper, and then I am adding trash can bags to the bottom of the trash can and putting this. It does have a nice scent to it. They are from Dollar Tree. You can see my Dollar Tree hauls, I always show them. I am going to use a dry Swiffer, and then I go ahead and go into it with a wet one. You guys saw how dirty that was. Again, that's just from us at nighttime. Again, we don't use it really during the day, so I was so shook. I really need to find a different curtain for this bathroom. I'm kind of over this one. I've had it since we bought the house, and yeah, I feel like I need a new one. Here I am just putting the face moisturizer back, and also putting, you know, the hand soap and paper towels, and that is it, guys. This bathroom is super simple, but yeah, it looks nice and sparkly. Then I went ahead and did the hallway upstairs with a dry Swiffer. Yes, I went ahead and just used the same thing for the shelves. And then I went down my stairs with the dry Swiffer as well. And then I went over it again with a wet Swiffer. Didn't show that part though. Okay, upstairs bathroom is done, and the hallway and the little stairs. Whew, I'm tired. I still got to do our main bathroom. But you guys, to me, that's a lot. I know to a lot of people it's probably not that bad. But considering that we only really go up the stairs and go upstairs and use the hallway and that bathroom when we're either going to bed or nighttime. So to me, that's a lot. All right, now to do the dreaded main bathroom. I hate doing this bathroom. I think I'm gonna drink some liquid IV though, so let me get that ready. If you guys been watching me for a while, you guys know, obviously, I am not sponsored by FabFitFun. They don't send me this for free. I got it with FabFitFun, and I actually already am like, I have one left, and I just got some from Costco. Just bought some online. They were the same price as in the store, so I got some of those because me and my husband have actually been drinking them since it's, well, the weather here is bipolar, but there has some really hot days, so gotta make sure I'm drinking my water. But since I'm sweating a lot right now and it's kind of hot, like it's a good IV time. I get the lemon and lime. Let me know if you guys have a specific flavor you guys like, if you guys have tried it. I know there's a couple of other ones that are like healthier for you, which I also want to try. But yeah, and for those of you who asked if we can give this to the kids. It literally says 3+, not recommended for not, I forgot how they worded it. Like it says like toddlers still don't have a strong enough, I guess, system to take electrolytes like this. So yeah, not recommended for under 3, and then over 3 extra pediatrician before you give it to them. I think the true age to give it to them is like 7 or something like that. I looked it up a lot because I was like, oh, let me make sure. So we do put it in these water bottles. My husband loves it in this, but my daughter actually loves drinking out of our cups like this. So I tell him like, don't put it in that because she's gonna want it, and that's a whole tantrum that you don't need to have. See, like certain things like that, I feel like that's dumb. I don't want to tell her, no, you can't have our water. That's dumb to me. Yeah, I don't know, just personal. I mean, we don't really drink. I haven't drank in like 2 years, so, well, more than that. She's gonna be 2, so almost 3. All right, let's get back to cleaning. This was my 5-minute mandate break. It's supposed to be 15, but whatever. Are you guys ready? So you guys do this side and I do that side. I wish it was that easy. All right, let's go. All right, and here I'm taking everything off of the sink again. I tend to do that a lot, which is honestly a really bad habit. But then I'm taking everything else out so I could go ahead and clean everything. I actually fully eliminated the diaper genie. So that was the last time you guys will see that, or till I have another kid. And then I opened my window because I am using so many chemicals for the shower, and last time I did it with the windows closed because it was cold outside, and your girl cannot stop coughing. So yeah, you could tell the windows are a hot mess and dirty. I am giving the corners of the shower a nice rub down. My daughter still takes a shower in the little tub thing, but she is outgrowing that very, very quickly. So soon, very, very soon, she will be taking showers in the bottom, and I just wanted to make sure everything was nice and clean for her. And you know, little eyes, they pry. She literally will look into every little corner. Then you're like, don't touch, and they're touching. I was actually listening to Selena and I kept dancing. So if you see me moving like that, yeah, that's what's happening. I think I'm like at a club. Anyways, I do the same thing with tile. Since my entire bathroom is basically, half of it basically is tile, I do use the Swiffer for that, with antibacterial, you know, cleaning stuff. I'm using tub stuff for this, but just in general, cleaning a tub, giving it a nice good rub down, and then, you know, cleaning and wiping down the windows. Later on, I did actually wet the actual window doors, and I did it with like the squeaky thing. I don't even know what's it called. But I didn't show that on camera because honestly, I got ahead of myself and I just started doing it and forgot that I was filming for like 2 seconds. And here I am just doing the window. That is not a window. That is a mirror. And the sink. I am giving a little bit more of a rub down. Again, my daughter is such a little handful when it comes to, you know, toddler life. But literally the little sink thing, she always tries to grab it. So I was like, let me just clean it in case she actually gets her hands on it. And then here I am cleaning the toilet. I feel like the toilet gets cleaned so much more than any other toilet in my house. But this is the one that everybody tends to use. And it is actually a brand new toilet, guys. Side note, got it from Costco. And then I'm cleaning the toilet on the inside. But yeah. I do want to quickly say thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, leaving a thumbs up, and all of you who actually comment and have subscribed and turn on the bell notification. I appreciate every single one of you. It means so much to me. I am going to go ahead and right now, you saw I kind of just quickly cleaned the handles, the door handles. And then I'm going to dry Swiffer the walls, and then I also then go in after and a wet Swiffer the walls and the floor. You see the door there that is a little blotchy? Yeah, my husband started painting that when we first bought the house and never finished it. I'm about to go tell him, you need to finish painting all these doors this summer. That is his task for his next vacation. Being a wife is fun sometimes. Anyways, yeah, I am spraying it again with sanitizing things, sanitizing and tile things, and then I'm just going over it with the wet one. And now it's time to put everything back. Paper towels, the soup, our little You know what's funny? We have that little toilet and we don't use it for that. She literally sits there while I'm in the bathroom, and I have going to buy her the actual toilet stuff for potty training, because I actually read that that kind of makes it longer for them to actually use the real toilet, because they're not always going to have a small toilet everywhere they go. But yeah, just side note. So I am buying a real like part to put on the real toilet. There's honestly nothing better than a nice clean bathroom, guys. If you're wondering what this is us trying to convince my daughter to brush her teeth. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. My hair got so wet when I was cleaning the shower, but anyways, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I forgot how more complicated it is to film clean with me. Oh my goodness. Anyways, editing me, have fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.